Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ulat ke Jilla Meghalaya utatha gata roy, haka arpoterek mentau naiwing arajar kat kendai. Ulat play paj ba, ya ke jingya theria tai ke bala pelong, da ke North East Space Application Center, bat ya ke annual convention jong ke Indian Society of Geomatics and Indian Society of Remote Sensing. Kabala penlong ha skol ba Northeastern Hill University Shillong. Ulat ke Jilla kan igesngi ha bekren ha kejelang kumukongsan ulaong ba kan nesang kadon kam ban penon kam ki kor ki bor kat kum kan ikejok ka bamenta. Ha ka baydai bat ke jingwan shop ki bor ka mariang ka jingya thu lupa ya ke jinglong jingman ka sun beneng bat kiwe ki mat ki bakta ya ke jing em jong ki paj ba nong snong. Ha kan ikathan chete lamingi. Hakan ke jingya ther ya tai ke balais ngi ke dan palat lais pa angot kinong yeshimenta ki bakan top ya ki scientists ki researchers ki samla pule bat ki wende na keleng ki jela jong kari India.
The scientists and the young minds who are sitting in this audience, using the state-of-the-art, technology, remote sensing and other, means and satellites and all that, you all go out of your laboratories up, the space, or down below the surface of the earth, where eagles here. So you try to explore those regions which are otherwise physically inaccessible through your expertise, through your knowledge, and all that. And I'm just, flipping through the pages of this lovely souvenir abstract volume. I think everything under the sun which impacts society, people, country, that is included in this. And all those areas are, touched upon.
For congratulating ourselves, but also largely also due to God's will that we got the metro running. It is not an easy job, as you might have gathered from news which has come out lately in respect of the length of metro on the east-west axis. We built the one which is largely on the north-south axis of Kolkata. On the east-west axis, the metro which was under construction, it is foundered because of the presence of a water surcharged layer or a lens of soil into which a tunneling sheet ran and collapsed quite a few buildings. Fortunately, there was no loss of life, but the project was stopped. Now, this is a thing in which remote sensing might have played could have helped us. I know what a difficult job it is. Normally the word underground does not suggest very bona fide actions, but this was slightly different. And the fact that we did not have any forewarning of what we were up against made our job particularly difficult. Now this is something perhaps that could have been avoided by remote sensing, and I would request the society over here to devote some attention to this aspect, because more and more metros are going to be built in India, because private means of transportation like privately owned cars are becoming a hazard. We all know what is happening in Delhi, where the city is, our capital city is smothered in smog, and in a town like Shillong, fortunately because of the topography, the blowing winds and such like, we don't have a smog, but we have horrible traffic jams. To move from one point to another, you never know how long it is going to take. Don't be deceived by what you see around Nehru. This is an outlying part of the city. If you go towards the center of the city, you will find out. I wish you don't. So more or less, situation is very fast developing when people will have to largely rely on public transportation, not because of any other reason, but largely because of the dangers of pollution, global warming, suspended particulate matter, and such like.